When we open up the software, we're greeted with the start screen. The start screen is divided up into the project section, in the families section, and the resources. Starting with the project section, on the left hand side, we have open, new, and 4 variations of a template. If we select open, that'll bring us into our common drive where we can load in a past project. If we select new, we'll start a new project. Once we do select new, we then do have to specify what type of template we're going to be using. We can also browse a specific template. We can create a new project from scratch, or we can create a project template. Below that, we have the 4 different templates currently loaded into this software. We have a construction template, architectural template, structural, and mechanical. So depending on the reason you're using this software, whether it be for a construction purpose, architectural, creating the structure, or adding in the mechanical, this is where we then choose that template. To the right of that, we have our recently opened documents. So it's a quick access in order for us to open up a past project quickly. Below that is the families section. Again, we can click on open, which will go into our common drive. Select new. Again, we'll open up our project section. To the right of that again is the 4 most recently opened families. Over to the right is the resources section. Here we can find out what's new. We can get some help. We can watch some quick tip videos. We can go into the Autodesk App Store. The Revit community is a forum where if you're having any issues, you can find out some tips, as more than likely the issue you're having, someone else has had in the past and will have posted the information of how they resolved the situation. Down the bottom left where it says Autodesk Revit, if we click on that, it'll bring us to the Autodesk website, where again you can find out some tips and so forth.